Luis. I'm from the group of chlorophyll. I'm gonna explain the goal. The goal is to learn new things we didn't know.
Hi everyone, my name is Christele and I am from the group 5 chlorophyll. My group members are Cyrilla and Berryl, and today we are going to be seeing the transportation of a celery stick. Hope you learned something from this video. All the materials you will need is a cup, a celery stick, water, dye. You can use any color you want, but I'm using the color blue. Firstly, put some water containing a colored dye into the transparent cup. Stand the celery stick into the dye. Make sure you try your best to stand it right way up. This could happen really quickly or really slowly, so just washed it, by the way. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the leaves are actually very blue.
Hello everyone, I'm Cyrilla from the group Chlorophyll, and now I will be explaining our results through a drawing. We can put the results of it in a drawing. As seen as above, I have labeled the parts of the stalk and we can see the changes. This drawing shows that the colored water is still absorbed by the celery even if it's not only containing water. As the coloring we used is blue, the bottom of the stalk, which was originally white, turned blue, and the leaves of the celery, which was originally green, turned blue as well. This is because the veins of the celery carries the water containing the dye into the leaves, making them turn blue. This experiment provides a simulation of plants absorbing water from the ground.
The conclusion is water transport from the ground up all over the place. This is shown because the water with dye in it was still absorbed by the plant up to its leaf. What we learn is water is transported from the ground up all over the place. Plants absorb water even though it is not ordinary water.